students, today we're going to learn about two vowels. We're going to learn about the A vowel and the E vowel. These vowels we have already studied. One A is a. But when you have two vowels, an A and an I, the sound changes to a long sound, A. So sometimes we have different vowels, but the A is always first. But the second vowel is kind of silent, but it changes the sound of the A from A to A. So here we have AI and a Y. Students, did you know sometimes a Y is a vowel? So here, when the A is first, beside the Y, the sound is A. So one thing you need to learn is the different spellings of the vowel sounds to make the sound A. The next vowel we're going to look at is E. When you have one E, the sound is eh. When you have two E's, the sound is E. The E is always first, but sometimes the second vowel is also an E, or maybe an EA. So when you see EE and EA, the sound is E. Let's start learning about A. Students, I want to teach you about the E, the silent E. So in this word, we have the A is the first vowel, and the E is here. There are two vowels in this syllable or in this word, but there is one letter in the middle. But the sound is still aid. So the D is in the middle, but the A says aid. Here we have a K in the middle, but the vowel sound is still ache. So the E is kind of silent, but it changes this from an a to an A. Let's practice some A words. Face, place, grace, space, made, grade, trade, shade, cake, take, rake, bake, age, cage, page, stage, sail, tail, stale, female. Now these ones have an A first and an I. Aid, paid, nail, tail, mail, rail, main, pain. Now we have A first with a Y. Say, day, may, play, stay. Okay, students, now it's time to learn a chant to help us remember the A sound. I need to pay my rent today. I need to bake a cake. I need to mail the mail. I need to pay my rent today. I need to bake a cake. I need to mail the mail. So let's look at these two words. This is number one. Let's look at these two words. The first one is cap. K-A-P. Cap. This A, there's one A, the sound is a. Here we have two vowels. A is first, then an E. Cape, this word is at, at. An A with an E, 2 vowels, 8, at, 8, at 8. This one is lad, lad. Here we have an A with an I, 2 vowels, the A is first, laid, laid, lad, laid, lad, laid. So students, remember that if there is no letter here, then this sounds like me. But if you put a letter here, then the vowel sound is met, met. So here we have met, and now we will study the sound with 2 E's. Meet, met, meet. See, be, fee, keep, deep, weep. Feel, peel, heal. Now we have an E with an A, but the E is first, the sound is the same, E. Eat, meet, beat, meal, heal, real. These, delete, complete. Now if you have a long word ending with a Y, the Y sounds like E, hungry, study, happy, lucky, slowly. But this has to be a long word. So students, you need to be careful with the Y. If it is a short word, 2 letters or 3 letters, then the Y says my. Sounds like an I, my. But here we have a long word, happy, 5 letters. So the sound of the Y is E, happy. Also, you need to look to see if there is another vowel beside the Y, because the Y in this letter says say. Okay, students, now it's time to practice a chant with the sound E words. Do you like to eat meat? Do you feel pain in your heel? Are you happy when you study? Do you like to eat meat? Do you feel pain in your heel? Are you happy when you study? Now look at this word. We have 1 E. The vowel says eh, 10, 10. Here we have 2 E's. The sound is E, teen, 10, teen, 10, teen. Number 1, we have fell, fell. Number 2, feel, feel, fell, feel, fell, feel. Now let's look at the A and E together. This word is say, see, say, see. Okay, now it's the end of the video and we want to practice the chants again so you remember them. I need to pay my rent today. I need to bake a cake. I need to mail the mail. I need to pay my rent today. I need to bake a cake. I need to mail the mail. Now the E chant. Do you like to eat meat? Do you feel pain in your heel? Are you happy when you study? Okay, students, I hope that today you can remember the sound A has two vowels, sometimes A-I, A-Y, or A with an E and a letter in the middle. So with the long vowel sounds A, you need to remember many different spellings for the same sound. And for the sound E, you have two vowels, two E's. The E is always first, so E-A, E-E, or also the Y at the end of a long word says E sound. Have a good day.